I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Capital One account, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Capital One account through the website or mobile app. This is where you'll find the transaction details you need to dispute. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history and find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Make sure to note the date and amount for reference. Step 3. Initiate the dispute. Select the transaction and look for an option to dispute it. This is typically labeled as Report Problem or Dispute Transaction. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the required information about why you are disputing the transaction. Be as specific as possible to help your case. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review your information and submit the dispute. You should receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your dispute. Remember to keep an eye on your email for updates from Capital One regarding your dispute. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue quickly.